Inside a premium spring mattress factory, instinct is the enemy. Here, precision isn't just a rule, it's a matter of millimeters. Most people think a mattress is just steel, foam, and fabric, but they are wrong. On this production line, a single minor deviation turns comfort into a back-breaking failure. We are taking you behind the scenes to reveal the engineering secrets that most manufacturers hide, especially one critical silent step that decides if your mattress will support your spine for a decade or quietly destroy it. Watch closely. You will never sleep the same way again. A premium mattress can fail at the gate. One wrong batch, one damp fabric edge, one seal. Nobody records, and the whole run is already compromised. The click of the seal, the flash of the camera, the scale numbers jumping, then silence and quarantine. Only two outcomes: released or stopped before it poisons everything. Comfort starts as a measurement, not a feeling. Steal a hair off becomes a future squeak. Foam that doesn't rebound becomes fatigue. Fabric that tears too easily becomes a split seam. Pass/hold/reject isn't paperwork. It's protection. That steel coil is stored energy. Treat it casually and it snaps back. Tension, straightening, surface cleaning. Each one decides whether the wire behaves or fights the machine. The encoder begins counting millimeters. A tiny vibration now can become a problem someone sleeps on later.
Baseline stabilized. Proceeding with Phase 2 sequence.
Steel becomes support under pressure. The recipe is destiny: height, diameter, turns. Pitch slips, the spring leans, your body follows. Sensors count. The cutter hits the mark. Cameras reject anything warped. Speed rises, tolerance shrinks, and every mistake multiplies.
Defective unit diverted at station 436. Resetting the counter.
Fresh springs need to settle, or they lie. A quick compression test tells the truth. Rebound clean or rebound slow. If drift appears, the batch gets isolated, because one almost fine spring can ruin a whole core.
Maintenance, we have a hold on batch 47. Inconsistent springs detected. Requesting inspection at the isolation rack.
This is where chaos gets caged. Fabric tension must be perfect, or seams open. Springs drop in on rhythm, each sealed into its own pocket. One wrinkle, one gap, one tear. Pulled out instantly. Small seam, big consequences.
Okay.
One millimeter off here becomes a whole night of discomfort. Strips aligned to pins, edges get glued, too little breaks, too much stiffens. Then the dangerous part, waiting for the set. If it shifts in that silence, the defect gets locked forever.
Okay, bring it left.
Right there? Perfect. Hold.
The stitching is flawless on this section.
Agreed. The adhesive bond is fully secure.
Were the procedures you saw clean and safe? Comment A, no comment B?
The center can be soft. The edge must be strong. Foam corners must meet at perfect 90s, tight and clean. Then zoning marks the body map. Shoulders, back, hips. Put support in the wrong place and comfort turns into pain. Softness is cut, labeled, and controlled. Top, mid, bottom. Mix the order, and the mattress feels wrong instantly. Thickness is checked fast. Defects are killed early, because weak layers don't deserve to move forward. Glue doesn't just stick, it locks the truth inside. Too much traps stiffness. Too little creates separation. Layers must land edge to edge. Air bubbles must die. Alignment must hold. One shift, and the mattress becomes a quiet mistake. Quilting isn't decoration, it's stability. Wrong tension wrinkles the face. Bad stitching telegraphs through the touch. A short test run exposes everything. Then, clean cutting, strict inspection. This is the first impression your hand will remember.
Okay.
Now it becomes a mattress you can recognize. Panels must be centered, corners pulled evenly, seams hidden, stitches clean. Tape edge seals the perimeter like armor. Smooth corners, no gaps. Labels and trace codes go on last. Identity, accountability, no escaping.
Fold.
This is the last gate before a bedroom. Dimensions versus tolerance. Quick point compression. Listen for the wrong sound. Inspect seams, surface, fabric. Then scan the code. Pass or rework. No emotions. Packaging is a battle against damage. Film blocks moisture and dust. Roll pack vacuum can protect or injure if done wrong. Carton, corner guards, batch labels. The final seal before the outside world gets a chance to ruin it. A perfect product can still fail in logistics. Scan in, palletize, route by lane, load out. At retail, the customer decides in seconds. They won't see the process, they'll feel the result, and that judgment is brutal. A premium mattress isn't soft by luck. It's soft because hundreds of small decisions were made under pressure, then verified when nobody was watching. One unchecked seal, one drifting wire diameter, one rushed seam, one misaligned layer, and comfort turns into regret. What you're really buying isn't steel, foam, or fabric. You're buying discipline, quarantine, measurements, alignment pins, tension control, clean cuts, silent inspections, and the courage to reject anything almost fine. Because in manufacturing, quality isn't added at the end. It's either protected at every step, or it never existed at all.
Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel. And what production process would you like to see next?